Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Hopefully it's a great time to be alive and you guys are having a great day wherever you are. And wakey in America, and good afternoon in Asia, good afternoon in Europe, guys, and good evening in Asia, guys. Wow, we just see a lot of stuff's going on right now. We just saw that Dogecoin just had a huge pump and went up about 5%. And guess who's tweeting again? Elon Musk is tweeting again. Hello. So, remember, this video is not financial advice, and this is just for education and entertainment purposes only. So, this is the OG in the house, Ric Flair Crypto. Woo, guys, and it's a great time to be alive and bringing you love over the interwebs, guys. So, we can see that Elon Musk just tweeted again, and it caused a bit of a green candle, green spike, went up about almost 5%. And, of course, moments after the tweet, guess what? You guessed it. It went down, down again. So we can just see that, you know, Elon Musk, he loves the Doge, he loves the community, but it just seems that his tweets don't have long-lasting effects, guys. It's just like a momentary boop, and then it comes back down to where it previously was before the tweet. So, guys and gals, are Elon Musk tweets helpful? Or are they a hindrance? Guys, smash the likes, comment, guys. I'd love to hear what you have to say about that. So, guys, don't forget to go, once again, smash the likes, comment. We'd love to hear what you guys say about that. So, we're also going to talk about Bitcoin. A lot of people are like giving up on the Bitcoin, think that it's going down. So I'm going to show you some more TA and some more technical analysis. Proves that we are absolutely not at the top yet, so you guys don't have to panic. And remember, in my previous video, go back and watch it. We talked about, 99% of most, crypto investors, you guys are going to lose money if you have these kind of behaviors. So remember, you guys have to learn to trade on a longer time frame. You got to learn to zoom out, and you got to learn to take profits. You got to learn to have diamond hands. You got to learn not to panic, guys, because a lot of you right now are panicking because you see these drops coming. But these drops are often very common before we have a huge explosion to the upside, guys. The other thing I talked about previously is you got to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all eggs in one basket, because if you drop the one basket, guess what? All the eggs are broken. So you need to diversify, guys. And, some up-and-coming coins to be looking at right now are gaming tokens. I mean, I keep talking about it, gaming tokens. Well, I did talk about Sandbox, I think, like a week ago, and it's up like over 600% in the last 30 days. It's up today like 38%. So I'm not shilling for Sandbox. Don't get me wrong. You got to do your own risk management, do your own research, read the white paper, see what it's all about. But we can see that Sandbox just hit all-time high. We're also seeing Mana's on fire, and a lot of the gaming and metaverse space is on fire. So this is the new thing, guys. Remember, we had the whole NFT craze, before April, and it was going nuts, right? And when we had the DeFi summer last year, and it was also going nuts. Well, gaming is here, guys. It's here. You can either get on the bandwagon, or you cannot. But, don't miss the boat, guys. So do your own research. Take a look at that. And, I'm not saying everyone ape in, like don't FOMO in, because Sandbox is close to the top. There could be a correction coming pretty soon. So do not buy Sandbox right now. This is not financial advice. Wait for a bit of a dip. And there will be a dip. Things don't go up forever. Things absolutely don't go up forever. So let's jump into the content, guys. Let's do it, guys. Don't forget to go back and watch some of my other videos. I think this is a really important video here. 99% will have huge losses. So this is really talking about the psychology and the behavior of crypto investors, and some of the things you shouldn't do and some of the things you should do to keep your guys safe and sound in this market right now. Because we'll have peaks, we'll have valleys. That's pretty normal. And right now we're getting to the end of the bull run. Anywhere from 30 to 90 days from now, we're getting close to it. So things are going to be a little bit turbulent. Things are going to be a little bit topsy-turvy. We're also seeing that a lot of whales right now are starting to move some of their Bitcoin onto exchanges. So this is a bit of a sign, guys, because normally when whales start moving things on exchanges, this is usually a bit of a sign that they're going to start selling, guys. So just be prepared. I mean, they may be loading up, they may be moving their Bitcoin onto exchanges, not to sell today or tomorrow, but they're being prepared, right? They're being absolutely prepared, and they want to, take advantage of that and being able to, start moving stuff onto exchanges in case they want to liquidate and sell their Bitcoin. So as you guys know, Elon Musk just had a tweet, and he really replied to this CZ article, and he was also talking about the Dogecoin. Remember, Dogecoin was frozen a couple of days ago. I think it was like 4 or 5 days ago. It was frozen, and Dogecoin holders couldn't send off their Bitcoin, their Dogecoin. And so Elon Musk timed in, Dogecoin holders using Binance should be protected from errors that are not their fault. So you guys also heard about that. A lot of transactions got stuck because of they didn't not the users, but the exchange didn't deduct the right fees. So a lot of transactions got stuck, or a lot of users got after the fact they got debited for the fees. So Elon Musk chimed in. Also, we had the Dogecoin devs also chimed in as well, and they also said that providing some clarification, the Binance situation a bit over a year ago, Binance notified us that they had stuck transactions. We were not shown these transactions, but it was suggested that they were not stuck. They were stuck due to insufficient fees. So that was a whole thing related to that. So I'm just going to retweet this. So that's what Elon is talking about. And then when Elon had that. And when Elon tweeted this out, you saw this huge. It was almost like a. Let me just get that candle there for get out of there. So we can see that we had this huge rise here when he actually tweeted out. So we can see right now that Dogecoin is up like almost 1%. But we had this candle here that went up almost like 2%, guys. It almost went 2%. Let's just measure that in the house. So it went all the way from here. And it went all the way up here, so it was almost like a 7% increase from there to there. So it was a huge little bit of a pump. But right now we're seeing that Doge is coming back. So hopefully this will pick up some speed, and at least we're over the 20. Right now we're trading at just over 22 cent level. We have this 23 cent level that we need to get over there, guys. And come on, Doge, because if Doge collapses below this descending triangle, then it's not looking so good. We could be going down to like 16 cents in the house, guys. So hopefully that will help bring some more attention and bring some more liquidity into Doge. But overall, don't give up on the Doge. Doge has been trading on this huge descending triangle for a very long time, since October here, and it's just been going down, down. And like I said, if we continue to stay above this descending triangle, then we have a good chance of a reversal pattern, and then we could start to flip very bullish. So right now, this looks bullish. This pattern right here does look very bullish, guys. So I'm pretty excited about that. You should be excited about that too. And some other tweets are coming in. Right now we can see that Bitcoin miners, they start accumulating again. They're not selling, and this is a good sign, because normally when miners are accumulating, this is good. When miners are selling, and you can see the red here, when miners start to sell, typically the Bitcoin price takes a dump, right? So you can see here, Bitcoin price, dumped, went up, dumped here. Dumped here. So whenever miners are selling, and you can see here, this is really one of the reasons that we had this recent Bitcoin dump for the past week, and why we're seeing a red candle is because miners were selling. Now they're starting to accumulate again, because I believe that they know that this is the next leg. The next leg is absolutely coming, guys. So to buckle up, don't panic. So also too, this is from Tech Dev. Tech Dev is saying, good morning all. Midterm 2-day indicators look properly bottomed out with the price at the bottom of the type BB bands. So a large bullish move does look near. The next 2 weeks should tell us a lot about the remaining cycle trajectory. So I think the next 2 weeks are going to be very crucial. I'm hoping that previously a lot of the technical analysis was pointing for the 24th to being a bit of a breakout. So you can see that here we've hit bottom here, we've hit bottom here, and typically when we have a peak, you can see that the RSI peaks over 80. Also here. So we're seeing that also here the RSI is down, and typically when the RSI is up, we also have a peak. So it's looking pretty good, and I think the next 2 weeks is going to tell the tale. Hopefully we'll get a reversal in the next 24 hours, because it's still November 23rd here, and it's November 23rd in the U.S. It's just starting. So hopefully on the November 24th U.S. time, after 10 a.m., or after lunchtime, we can start to see a huge pumpage of Bitcoin. If that happens, guys and gals, then that should take, all the altcoins and Dogecoin should come up with it, guys. So go down there, smash the likes, guys. Subscribe, BYB in the house, and don't forget to comment. And if you're watching the live stream, guys, please give a super chat. I would really, really appreciate it, guys. Get it done. Show some love for the OG in the house, guys. So this is also coming in right now. We can see that. As I said, Bitcoin exchanges see large deposit despite BTC reserves hitting 3-year lows. So we're seeing large deposit from whales going onto exchanges, but still the reserves are extremely low. So I think some whales are putting Bitcoin back on exchanges because they're getting prepared to sell, guys. Or they're putting Bitcoin on there to sell because they anticipate a huge dump and then a huge liftoff. So this could be either or, right? But we're still seeing that the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is still at a 3-year low. So, guys, just keep an eye on this. This could be a preemptive strike by the whales because they are going to... maybe they're going to short Bitcoin, drive it down, or maybe they're going to sell because they think there's going to be a premature top. Then they're going to sell it. Then they're going to buy in when there's a big correction, guys. So just keep an eye on that. So top 10 deposits make up 90% of all exchange inflows. In the market change from previous behavior over the past week, whales have become more and more active sellers on exchanges. So we're seeing more whales selling. The exchange whales ratio, which measures how large the top 10 deposits to exchanges are the relative to all deposits are sounding alarm. So right now we're seeing BT exchange whales ratio 72-month moving average reached 91%. This is the case that the top 10 deposits take up 90% of all the deposits across exchanges. So we're seeing here that we can see that right now there's a bit of a pump in terms of a bit of a, not a pump, but there's a bit of movement in terms of whales moving Bitcoin onto exchanges, guys. So just keep an eye on that. That could indicate that we're getting close to the top. So just keep an eye on that, guys. So I wouldn't worry about it too much at this point, but I think that we still got some room to go, guys. So let's take a look at the Shiba Inu in the house right now. So Shiba Inu is still down, down. It's now at 42 in the house. And it's down almost 5% right now. So that's not looking good for the Shiba Inu. And if we break down below this and we can't maintain the support level, that's now become red, guys. So we could be going down even further and further. And our next level of support is around about 32 in the house, guys. So just keep that in mind overall. And let's take a look at Sandbox. Sandbox right now, it's just dipped down a touch. It's dipped down about 4%. So people are starting to take some profits. We did hit an all-time high of about $5.68. So whenever you see crypto hitting all-time high, you'll often see a little bit of a correction down to the downside, a little bit of consolidation, and then we should see Sandbox take off again. So I don't know how deep this correction could go. I mean, you can see we have some support here and around about $5. So we could see maybe Sand going down to $5. So just keep an eye on that right now. Fear and greed is still at 33. People are fearful, but not extreme fearful. I still think this is a time to dollar cost average, but keep an eye on the exchange inflows. Keep watching my channel, and I'm going to tell you if the inflows from whales to exchanges start to go up a lot, then this is a good signal that the top is in and whales are preparing to dump their coins. And when whales start to sell, this could have a cascade effect, and this could push Bitcoin down in a very huge way in a very short pace of time. So you guys have to keep an eye on that, guys. And I'm not talking about keep an eye on the price of Bitcoin, but keep an eye on the inflows. And the only way you're going to do that is watch my channel, guys. Keep watching. Let's take a look at the total market cap in the house right now. So we're seeing the total market cap right now is 2.64 trillion in the house, guys. And the volumes are still over 100 billion, so that's pretty good. And Bitcoin dominance is coming down, so it looks like if that's happening, we could start to see that the altcoins could start to pump soon. Once this gets down to like 38, 35 level, you're going to see the altcoins explode. They're going to be frothy, they're going to be foaming, and they're going to the moon, guys. They're absolutely going to be going to the moon. And believe me, it happens every cycle, and it's going to happen again, guys. So right now, let's take a look at the coinage. The coinage in the house. We're seeing right now that Bitcoin is at 56,888. That's a lucky number, and it's down. It's almost neutral, and Ethereum is coming back right now. It's up almost 1%. It's at 4,186. It's come down a little bit. It was at 4,200 previously in previous video. We're seeing BNB is also coming back right now. It's at It's up 2.76%, and it's at $586. We need BNB to get up to $600, but I'm pretty confident. I think we could see BNB hit $1,000 in the not too distant future, guys. It could actually be coming. Solana is disappointing. We're seeing a lot of people taking a lot of profit taking right now, and Solana's at $214, and that's down 1.72% right now. DOT is also down again. It's at 0.39, so hopefully it needs to giddy up and get past $40. That is a crucial psychological level, and I'm really happy with Doge. Doge is still, even after the Elon Musk effect, we're still seeing some positive territory. It's up by 3.77%, and it's at 22.9, so we'll just call it 23 cents. And looks like Doge has flipped the avalanche in the house, and the Doge's market cap is up about 30.4 billion, and Avalanche is down almost 3%. It's 128, and it's at 28.7 billion, and that's pretty normal. You know, when you have all-time highs, people are going to take profits. So I wait another 24 hours. If you're planning to buy Avalanche, it's not financial advice. Wait another 24 hours. I think you'll probably see this price probably come down to like 120, 125 zone. And then that's probably going to be a good pickup zone in the house. Shiba Inu is also down. It's down 2.5%, 13.18% for the week right now. And it's only up 4.77% on the 30 days. So if this continues like this, we could see the 30-day number turning red, guys. And right now, Doge is at 40. The Shiba Inu is at 43. And like I said, if this continues, if we cannot stay above the 43 support level, we could go down to around about 30, 33, 34 in the house. And CRO is still impressing me, still amazing. It's up 14%. It's defying the odds. And it's at 78.5 cents. I think we're going to see $1 coming in. I mean, it just recently hit 80 cents right here, and we're only 2.2% away from that. So I think, you know, we could definitely see, be seeing CRO hit $1 soon. And Luna is also up as well. It's up almost 1%. It's at 41.51. So Luna is also defying the odds as well. So that's really good. We're seeing a lot of coins mainly down, but we are seeing some greenage. We're seeing that Matic is up 3.27%, so that's very good. We're seeing that also Algorand is up 8.5%. It's up 88% in the last 30 days. Mana is up again. It's at $4.11. And it's about 5.5% all-time highs, which is 4.35. So I think Mana could see price discovery mode again very shortly, guys. And let's see where Sandbox is. Sandbox in the house. So we're seeing Sand is up almost 36%, and that's at $5.42. And we're only 1.8% from all-time highs. So look at that. It's almost 600%, 592% in the last 30 days. So if you'd have bought Sandbox 30 days ago, you guys would be almost 6x, guys. So that's amazing. But if you bought in the last 7 days, you're already 1x up, guys. So it's looking pretty good. I think that Sandbox is going to continue its run. I don't think the run is over yet. So this is not financial advice. Just remember that. So OG just expressing his opinion, expressing the opinions in the house. Woo! If you could love it, if you love this channel, like I love you guys, smash the likes, guys. Don't forget to do that. Let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. But let's just take a look at the Bitcoin first on the daily chart. We can see Bitcoin is painting some green right now, and Bitcoin is sitting at 56,820. It's slightly down. It was at 57,000 a couple hours ago, but it's still looking okay, guys. And remember, we had this huge 19% correction here. We're seeing something similar, almost 17%. Then we had this huge rise here, about 135%. So we're seeing something very similar. I think Bitcoin is just consolidating. It's taking a breather, and it is going to go to the moon, guys. Absolutely going to the moon. And if we zoom out, we can still see that, you know, on the monthly, we can definitely see that Bitcoin is still looking pretty good, guys. So I wouldn't worry about it. And on the weekly, we can see that Bitcoin is still above the 21-day EMA, which is very important. It's a crucial level for us to stay above. But, you know, we have to be careful. This is getting danger close right now. And we still have 5 days and 11 hours left on this weekly candle. Can we close it green? You know, the only next couple of days will tell us, guys. So with that being said, let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. So Ethereum in the house is having a very hard time getting past this $4,200 level, and it keeps getting rejected. But you know, if Ethereum keeps butting its head against this resistance, it will finally break out. Will break out past that. So believe me, you. And once Bitcoin takes off, you'll start to see Ethereum absolutely start to pump, guys. So with that being said, guys, let's just end it there. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. We've got 2,213 followers in the house. So this is a great time to be alive, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to check out the merchy. We got the mug, get the love mug, the mug, full of love, full of joy. And you want it? Let's Jackie Chan it. Wahoo! Jackie Chan. And don't forget to check out my wifey's channel, Happy Wife, Happy Life. And you know what I'm talking about, guys and gals out there. And go over there, subscribe, show some love, show some support. And yeah, you know, if crypto's getting you down, go there to Zen Music and subscribe, and don't forget you can check out all the links to all of my in the bottom of each video. I've got links to www.kofi.com. This is where you can actually donate a coffee, buy a coffee to the channel, show some support. And you know, because some parts of the world you can't do super chats. If you can't, go to www.kofi.com. Crypto Squad. Give us a coffee, show some love in the halls, and don't forget to check out Zen Music. The link's there as well, and become a Patreon member. And then also the link to the merch is there as well. And you guys know we got hats, we got hoodies, we got all sorts of stuff. So guys and gals, I just want to say God bless you all, and guys, check out the merch, guys. And I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Hopefully there's some good news. Hopefully we'll wake up tomorrow and Doge will be going to the moon. So don't panic, guys. Keep calm. Keep calm. I know a lot of you are getting very anxious because you see things going down and things, you know, not going anywhere. This is typical. We're going to have some stagnation. We're going to have some consolidation before we see the next leg up to the top side. So, guys, God bless you. I love you guys. Without you, my community, this channel wouldn't be possible. Smashy up the likes. Show some love, guys. Commenting. Woo! This is Ric Flair of the Crypto Daily Trade Signals in the house. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, let's get it, guys.